Hi, I'm Amy from Loveland Branch Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream at home. You'll need salt, measuring spoons and measuring cups, vanilla extract, a gallon baggie, and also a smaller baggie. You'll need sugar, and you're going to need about 4 cups of ice, as well as half and half heavy whipping cream or milk, just one of those, and you'll need oven mitts or a towel. The first step is to take the small baggie and put the sugar in, which is a tablespoon of sugar, and then the half and half or milk or heavy whipping cream that you're using. And then you're going to put the vanilla extract, which is a 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, there it is. And put that in the baggie and mix it a little like this. And you want to seal the bag. And now you take the big baggie and you put 4 cups of ice. And then you put the half cup of salt on the ice and shake it up. It might seem a little weird that we're putting salt on the ice, but the reason that we're doing that is because it lowers the freezing point. The next step is make sure the small baggie with the ingredients, it's sealed. Put it in the large baggie and make sure that that large baggie is sealed. Well, I've been shaking 4 minutes now, so let's peek and see what's going on. Well, I think it's getting there. Just 1 more minute. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. So let's see if it worked. And we have ice cream. And there it is, the homemade ice cream. Okay. Great. Well, I hope you enjoyed making ice cream with me today, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.